In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to hopefully resolve a black screen on your MacBook Pro pretty quickly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing is ensuring that your MacBook is charged and plugged into a working outlet. So try plugging into a different wall outlet or try a different charger and see if that could be the potential problem, as well as checking the brightness up button on your keyboard. So I recommend turning it all the way up to ensure that the screen has not just been turned down all the way. If you have any accessories plugged into your device, like an external display, drives, or USB devices, I'd recommend unplugging them, as well as any other peripherals. And then you can just do another hard restart or reset of your device, and then hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.